Resistance training at its core is a form of exercise that improves strength and endurance by working against some form of resistance. It's not just about lifting weights, it's about using your body's own weight to build muscle, enhance stability, and boost overall fitness. The beauty of resistance training lies in its accessibility. You don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment to get started. In fact, you can do it right in the comfort of your own home, using nothing but your own body. Let's break it down into 7 simple exercises that anyone can do, regardless of their fitness level. First up is the classic push-up. It's a fantastic way to work your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Just find a flat surface, get into a plank position, and lower your body until your chest nearly touches the ground, then push back up. If that feels too challenging, you can modify it by doing knee push-ups instead. Next, we have squats. They're perfect for targeting your legs and glutes. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body as if you're sitting back into a chair, keeping your chest up and knees behind your toes, then rise back up. It's a simple movement, but it packs a punch. The third exercise is the plank. This is all about core strength. Get into a push-up position, but hold it, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Aim to hold it for 30 seconds to a minute and feel that core working hard. Moving on, we have lunges. They're great for balance and leg strength. Step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at about a 90-degree angle. Push back to the starting position and switch legs. Fifth on the list is the glute bridge. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top, then lower back down. It's a fantastic way to engage your posterior chain. Next, we have tricep dips. Find a sturdy chair or low table. Sit on the edge, place your hands next to your hips, and slide off the edge. Lower your body by bending your elbows, then push back up. This one really targets the back of your arms. Finally, let's not forget about mountain climbers. Get into a plank position and quickly bring one knee towards your chest, then switch legs, as if you're running in place. It's a great way to get your heart rate up while also working your core and legs. So there you have it, 7 simple resistance exercises you can do at home without any equipment. It's all about consistency and finding what works for you. Resistance training is not just a workout. It's a commitment to your health and well-being, and it can be done anywhere, anytime.